All right, let's come to the analysis and cutoff discussion for CAT 2021 Quant Slot 2. This paper was very different from Slot 1 because Slot 1 was even heavier on arithmetic with 12 questions in arithmetic, and this had 10 questions, although the questions were doable, but the other questions from the other sections were tough. Algebra, geometry, etc. were a little tough. Numbers, again, there was no representation. So that is why the cutoff for 99.5 and for everything else dropped down. 42 marks would have been gotten with 14 correct questions, and 14 correct in 40 minutes would be a huge challenge. So obviously that's why very few people were able to do that. 36, 37 marks was 12 correct questions for 99 percentile. 33 marks, 11 correct questions was for 98 percentile. And just to clear cutoff, I mean, you had to do like 6 correct questions. Cutoff to clear ho jaye. And so I want to show you all question wise what were the absolutely easiest questions in this particular paper. One was definitely a challenging question from PNC. Two was standard properties of log. So इसको आप कर सकते थे. 3 again algebra strike नहीं होता, that inquired करना है. Fourth was a direct formula replacement by dilution from averages. Fifth was a little tough because of the comprehension. I mean, overall the calculation was very easy, but in a pressure situation to be able to understand what is going on would have been a little tough. Standard time and work question, doable. Seventh, standard percentages question, very much doable. After that, this was a tough arithmetic question from partnerships, tough geometry question because it was geometry plus algebra. This was algebra and AP, so mixed together. This was question number 10, algebra and AP. Yeah, so this was, I will not be including this. Two concepts mixed together. Question 11 was a direct formula. इसको आप कर सकते थे. This kind of question might have been done in class also. 12th was again a little challenging. Too many equations given. 13th was of course tough. ये तो depends on your luck, how you were thinking over there. 14th was direct arithmetic. 15 was tough from indices. 16th was direct. Yeah, this is a basic question of modulus. 17th was basic question of geometry. 18th was basic question of percentages. Successive percentage से कर सकते थे either by quadratic or by using the options. 19th was a little tricky because you might not have remembered that the roots have to be conjugates. 20th was tough and lengthy, as you know. 21st was direct. Time and work के दो question आए, दोनों बहुत आसान. And 22nd was also a little time consuming, maybe, but very much doable. So if I have to note down the really, really easy questions of this paper, which anybody could have done, would be 2, 4, 6, 7, 11. Of course, your order would have been a little different. 14, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22. If a genie had come and you could have chosen these questions directly, then आपके कितने हो गए? 5, 8, 11 questions बन जाते to take you directly to 98 percentile. But obviously, it is not as easy as it looks, right? Because in the paper, you have to read each and every question and you will not be able to anticipate the difficulty level unless you are a very, very good student. So, कहना कोई ऐसा, yeah, it's not as straightforward as it looks, but yes, there were 11 really, really easy questions in this paper. The arithmetic was a little heavy. थोड़े से moderate लगा लो and very, very difficult question तो maybe एक दो ही थे. So 11 very easy and maybe 10 very, very moderate level questions. So that is the analysis of the paper. If you have any questions or comments to make, please go to the comment section and I'll go through your queries. That's all. Until next time, thank you. Good evening.